Gembira, gembira. Happy, cheerful, happy, cheerful. Gembira means happy or cheerful. Vocabulary. The first word is berjumpa or bertemu, and this means meet. Berjumpa, bertemu, meet. The second word is sudah lama, and this means a long time. Here is our sentence. Saya gembira dapat berjumpa dengan kamu. Sudah lama kita tidak bertemu. Saya gembira dapat berjumpa dengan kamu. Sudah lama kita tidak bertemu. This means I am happy to be able to meet you. We have not met for a long time. Congratulations! You have completed this lecture.